Hello, everyone, and welcome to Apartment Guardian. We are so excited to be serving you and helping keep your community safe. I wanted to take this video to sort of show you how to set up your device and use it. So your device comes in a box like this. Open it up. The first thing you want to take note of is the number that's on your device, as that will be the device that's assigned to you. Makes it easier to know which one to take with you when you go on tour, which one's yours. As you open the box, you take out the lower part. You'll notice a few things. The first is the clip. So you take this clip and you can attach it actually to the device, which then allows you can either clip it to the lanyard that you currently have, you could clip it to your belt, or we also do provide a lanyard if you want to put it on its own separate lanyard. The next thing is charging the device. So every device comes with two cords. The first cord is a cord that can be used with just a USB port. So on one end, you plug it into your USB. On the other end, it looks like this, and that just snaps right onto the back of the device. The other way that you can charge your device is you use the cord, the charging stand, and the actual plug. One end of the plug plugs in here. The other end of the plug plugs into the back of the base. Just want to make sure that all of the plugs are in securely and that you plug it into an outlet that's working, and then the device sits in the cradle. So the most important thing about charging is you want to make sure that when you charge the device, whether you're snapping it on or you're putting it in the charging cradle, you need to make sure that the little charging prongs on the back make connection with the charger. So if you see here, if I just kind of drop it in, nothing happens. But if I push it in firmly, the device will vibrate. And on the side, the red light will flash slowly. And on the front, that little red light will come on. When you use the USB charging prong, you should look for the same thing. When you snap it on correctly, the device will buzz. And then the red light on the side will flash slowly to let you know that it is charging. It's really the only thing that you can do wrong with your Apartment Guardian is just making sure that it is charging correctly. So again, whether you push it into the stand or you snap that on, you want to make sure you hear that buzz and that then that red light on the side starts flashing slowly. So if you ever do need to use your device, you do not need to turn the device on. The device is always active. And even if you do decide to turn it off, it immediately reactivates once you push the button. So to use the device, you will push this 911 button here, and you're going to hold it for 3 seconds or until it buzzes. You will then be connected directly to 911. 911 will be sent your location, but it is still always best practices to tell 911 exactly where you are. That includes maybe unit number, which floor, and you want to describe the situation. 911 will be able to hear anything said within 10 feet of the device. So if you get separated from the device or you're farther away, just keep speaking and 911 will be able to hear you. The call cannot be hung up except by 911. If for some reason you do want to turn the device off, start by pressing the phone button on the side, hold it. Once you're holding that, then you will press and hold the 911 button. It takes about 5 seconds and then the device will turn off. However, like I mentioned earlier, even if the device is off, as soon as you press the 911 button, it will immediately turn back on and become active. So when you do charge your device, the battery does last about 4 weeks on one charge. One charge takes about 2 to 3 hours, but we still recommend, just so you remember, charging once a week. Best practices is on a Friday when you're leaving for the weekend or whenever your weekend is, just drop it on the charger and it'll always be ready to go when you need it again on Monday. Anyways, that's it. It's pretty simple. If you have any questions, we're always happy to help. You can email us at info@apartmentguardian.com. Otherwise, everyone should be good to go. And like I said, we're very excited and honored to be helping protect you and your communities.